Now I realize some of you have done this inventory and you've dug around some and you're already ahead of the game because you've looked around at some of these career interests. I think it's good to know like what careers are out there, but I also want to tell you that this did more for me than I thought it would. So I just bounced my little cursor up over here and you see where it's got the little three dots. Well, I bounced that down and then it said this thing about describing you. And I was like very curious about that. So it said, look through and see what these terms are. So it gave some terms that describe me. And I got to thinking, if I'm writing a resume, this could be really helpful because I have a hard time remembering those things about myself. And then it talked about what they thought my work approach was. I might disagree some, but at least this gets me started. And my interpersonal style, how I work with other people, and my time frame, like my balance, how I organize myself to get my work done. This says a lot about me. And I'm going to tell you, I thought this was really accurate about myself. How I get ideas, how I work together in a group. It said, especially that I get bored and frustrated when my ideas stay bottled up. That is very, you guys that know me know that's very true. It's part about vocabulary and inductive reasoning. So like how I think about things internally. Visual and spatial reasoning, sequential reasoning. So it's good stuff. Numeric reasoning. So it just says like, this gave me some really great information. Now, if you do like I did, I went ahead and I downloaded the discussion guide. And what it gave me was a whole report about myself. And I thought this would be really helpful to talk about with my advisory teacher or with my family, or if I have a tutor or a mentor. So it's just a really great tool to talk through and better understand myself. If I was working in a group, I might need to understand myself better, especially if I had some conflict in my life that was happening, or if I had some ideas that I really wanted to make happen. So if you want to take a peek, hop through this YouScience discussion guide, and it's really all about you. Like literally, there's my name. It's about me.